This is a decade counter, decoder, and segment display counting from 0 to 9. We're taking the signal from the trainer clock, going into the decade counter. The decade counter is made up of 4 flip-flops, has a BCD counter. Then the output of this counter goes into the decoder, which decodes the count, and then goes into the 150 ohm resistors.
7 of them.
7 of them.
And they are connected by a common cathode, which means all the grounds are connected to the same spot. And after that, they go to the display. Oh, good timing. Go ahead. Sorry.
No, that's good. And one of the problems we had were dealing with the wiring, and one of the wires were loose, so we had to go through all the wiring and rewire it and fix it. So one of the things we learned was how to troubleshoot.
Yeah, not only troubleshoot each individual component in it to figure out the whole thing, and as a result it made us understand the wiring of the entire circuit better.
You guys want to say anything?